What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be painting my rims black on my 2011 4Runner. The rims are peeling a little bit, the clear coat. So this is just a quick DIY in case you get interested in how it looks. Here's an after shot of how it looks after I painted them. And continue watching the rest of the video to see how it's done. Just to show you how they look before on the 4Runner. 240 grit, trying to get just the edges to smooth down. Afterwards, I'm just gonna, once I'm done doing the clear coat and the edges where it's peeling off, I'm gonna do a scotch bright pad. Now we're gonna rinse them, get all that dust off the way. This is the one I'm gonna use, the scotch bright pad drill. Now we're gonna hit it with the hand one inside. And rinse it. But let it dry up for about 10 minutes. Then roll down the tire maybe enough where it does a full turn, so in case there's any water. And these are the results. Like I said, just, you know, they're not going to be perfect, but it's going to make a drastic change. Just to look at the original, how it looked, which is, you know, blah. And then look at it, just massive difference. And if you're worried about the overspray on the rubber itself, it scrapes off really easily. I just use a knife and it just scrapes off right away. So no big deal. Subscribe and like.